watching Thompson's TV.
Giving you a tutorial of how I changed my struts. This is Akeem, and as you can see, Akeem is doing a very good job, you know. So yeah, I am trying my best to put in this strut. I removed the old one already, so I'm putting the new one. I was called away to change and to dispose of a diaper. But anyway, back to work. This is the 1-pack impact wrench. As you can hear it in the background, it's very powerful, very effective. It has a brushless motor, you know, and it has a lot of features. You can change it from small to medium to large based on the torque. It has an automatic transmission, you know. It comes with 2 batteries. It has a charger, and it came with some sockets as well. So yeah people, I actually had to take it out back because 2 things: the thread at the top wasn't as exposed, and the bottom part that goes on the wheel bearing section, it was too close, so it wasn't fitting over the section to accommodate 2 bolts. So I had to slap that with the hammer some more, and then now I had to screw down the bolt at the top with the impact gun. Now I had to ensure that the impact was not in the reverse motion, because if it was in the reverse motion, I would have ended up in the hospital, because that spring would have released and give me a nice slap, you know what I mean? But yeah, nevertheless, I screwed it down, and I ensured that it was spinning in the right direction. Screw it down until it matched up with the other one. Disclaimer guys, I'm just a machinist with a mechanical background, so they're matching them up, and yeah man, I'm doing a very good job. So yeah, as I said, I ordered the shocks online and I got them. I paid maybe about $80 something for it, and I paid about 11,000 something to clear it. So yeah, it was worth it. It was worth it, you know what I mean? Yeah. So here we are again. We're matching them up to put it in. So let's go. We're putting it in now. Wait for him. Akeem doing a very good job, you know. Yeah man. So I'm actually just a beat it and a slap it to get back the spring in line, and open out the section. It took a lot, you know, but yeah, nevertheless, here goes. Yes guys, so actually putting it up. And the funny thing about it, you know, the Japanese, they make this car, and I tell us, boy, you have to pull away the entire area at the top where the wiper blade is. You have to pull away the wiper motor. You have to pull away the wiper blade itself, the wiper blade guard, everything, to get to the shock bolt at the top, you know. So it was a lot of work, but it was good work, you know what I mean? And I achieved it with the right tools, because if you don't have the right tools, you know, you can't do the job. So, you know, I ensured that I got the right tools and did my thing. Yeah man, see me, I do a very good job tying up the bolt them. I have a piece of pipe, I put some torque on it. Yeah man, nice leverage. So see the section here? I had to pull out the entire wiper blade section, you know, the motor and everything, just to get to the 2 shocks. But I saw them new car I make nowadays, and we just have to do what we have to do, just the same, because in order to get something done, you have to get something done. So I have to pull away the whole of that section just to get to that section. So yes people, that is basically it. And I'm just fitting back up the 10 bolts and ensuring that everything is back in its right place. So yeah, I want you to stay tuned for another video now, because I have the back shocks to change. I don't order them yet, but I'm going to order them shortly, you know. So yeah man. See me, I ensure that everything tighten up and everything back in place. So yes people, do a very good job. Akeem do a very good job. I'm putting back the wiper blade them now. Wiper blade them, boy. Make sure so them put in the right position, you know, because if you don't put them in the right position, they might go fall off of the window, of the windscreen. So you have to ensure so you put them back in the right position. And I had to disconnect the battery because the alarm kept going off. But nevertheless, I had to do what I had to do. So yeah. So see me I start the car now for make sure so them in the right position. I never figured to lock the bonnet. But yeah, see there? Working properly. Function the way they're supposed to function. This is the finished product guys. Yeah man. I like the height. Yeah man, that's how it is originally supposed to look. So yeah, you know what I mean? Next side now. Alright. There you go. Yeah man, Axio nice again.
That's better.
Yeah man. Anyway people, thanks again for watching.